Hello students, today we will learn that what is octane number of a fuel. We will talk about octane number of SI engine fuel. See, before understanding octane number, you have to understand about why knocking happens in SI engine. So that thing, the knocking phenomenon of SI engine lecture is given in my another video lecture, which is in the same channel, which is dedicated to the combustion in SI engine and knocking. Okay, so over here we will brush up that why what is knocking. See, knocking is the phenomenon in which the fuel burns improperly inside the cylinder of IC engine, which leads to improper pressure or abrupt pressure rise inside the cylinder, which can damage the piston and other linked components. It means that we know this thing that in an 4-stroke SI engine there are total 4 strokes: suction of charge, then compression of charge. At the end of compression, spark is introduced in the charge, so it ignites. The next stroke is working stroke, and then exhaust. So what happens that when spark is introduced to the compressed charge, then there is rate of combustion of the charge inside the cylinder. Means there is a particular rate at which the fuel burns with respect to time inside the cylinder. Okay, so in case that rate becomes very fast, too fast, so the pressure rise becomes very steep. With respect to time, the pressure rises with very fast rate. So what happens, it gives a jerk over the piston head or piston crown, and that jerk can damage the piston and other linked components which are connected to the piston. For example, piston is connected to the connecting rod, then connecting rod is connected to the crank pin, and like this. So in case jerk is developed over the piston due to very high rate of pressure rise over the piston, then it can damage the different articles which are connected to the piston, and piston itself can be damaged. Okay, now what happens, in SI engine the main reason of knocking is high temperature and octane number of fuel. Means in case temperature of cylinder in SI engine is too high, then it could lead to knocking. Second is the quality of fuel, means octane number of fuel. Means octane number is an index which tells that a particular SI engine fuel is how much having the anti-knock property with it. Means higher octane number, higher the tendency of fuel to suppress the knocking inside the cylinder. Means higher octane number fuel leads to its good quality, and the degree of knocking will reduce in case we are using high octane number fuel with an SI engine. Now what is octane number? It is very simple to understand. Remember that in case we simulate the engine with different fuels, using different fuels for running an engine, SI engine, then it is found that isooctane is best fuel in regards of anti-knock properties. Means in case we are running an engine with isooctane is a sort of hydrocarbon. So in case we are running an engine with isooctane, then engine gives least knocking in particular specified conditions. And in that same specified conditions, in case we are using N-heptane, then it is worst type of fuel. It gives maximum knocking. So what happens, in case we are using isooctane, least knocking is there, and in case we are using N-heptane, then highest amount of knocking is found with an SI engine. Now for this reason, the isooctane is kept as a benchmark. Means isooctane is given 100 numbers, arbitrarily 100 number is chosen for isooctane. Means since isooctane gives least knocking, so 100, its octane number is 100. We can say this as octane number 100. Okay, now in case we know this thing that N-heptane is the worst fuel, so it is given 0 marks, 0 number. Okay, now octane number, the thumb rule is how much a fuel is behaving like that of isooctane is the octane number of fuel is. Means see, in case a fuel is having good anti-knock properties, means it is having greater degree of resembling with isooctane, and in case a fuel is giving high degree of knocking, it means it is having lower degree of resemblance with isooctane. So this is what the principle of octane number of fuel is. For example, that suppose some fuel is there which is used as a motor fuel for an IC engine, gives X amount of knocking. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to prepare mixtures of different proportions, isooctane and n-heptane. For example, in one beaker we are taking 60 ml isooctane, 40 ml n-heptane, 70% in another beaker 70% isooctane, like this, 30% n-heptane, and like this, so on. We can use 65 and 35 also, we can use 61 and 39 also, like this. For an example I am showing you over here. Now what happens with X amount of knocking is found by a particular fuel. Now we will make the engine run with these mixtures. Now we will run the engine with these one by one, means first we are using this mixture, and see, since it is containing n-heptane, so the amount of knocking which is given by this mixture, we will check that it is resembling with X or not. So in case it is not resembling, then we will try another mixture. Suppose we are using another mixture as a fuel in the engine, then again we will check that the knocking happening with that mixture is resembling with X or not. In case not resembling, then we will use another mixture. So suppose I say, for an example, that 85% isooctane and 15% n-heptane is resembling, the knocking happening with this mixture, 85% isooctane and 15% n-heptane, the knocking is resembling with the amount X which is created by the fuel which we are using primarily. So the octane number of that fuel would be 85. It is like this. Got it? So you would have understood. Again, what actually it is, it signifies that the octane number of fuel is how much the fuel is behaving like isooctane. So how much a fuel is behaving like isooctane is what the octane number of fuel is. So this is how the octane number is created. So once more I would like to tell that suppose some fuel we are using, it is giving X amount of knocking with the engine in particular condition, for example particular RPM and particular compression ratio. Now take out that fuel. Now prepare mixtures of isooctane and n-heptane in different beakers. Now prepare mixtures of isooctane and n-heptane in different beakers with different proportions. Now one by one run the same engine with those mixtures. Now the mixture whose knocking tendency, whose degree of knocking is resembling with the amount of X, the isooctane content of that mixture, that number is what the octane number of fuel is. Remember, the maximum octane number a fuel can have is 100 and minimum is 0. So 100 is with isooctane and 0 with n-heptane. But nowadays after researches it is found that some fuels are even having greater degree of anti-knock properties compared to that of isooctane. So we have not changed the benchmark. For that case what we have done, those fuels are having even higher octane number than that of 100, maybe possible 120 or 130, like this. Okay, so hope you would have understood that how to find the octane number. Once again, octane number is how much a SI engine fuel is resembling with isooctane. Here suppose at last we have found that in case we are running the engine with 85% isooctane and 15% n-heptane, then the knocking tendency is resembling with the amount of fuel for which we are checking out the octane number. Now types of octane number, we will discuss about types of octane number. One type is research octane number. Research octane number means this exercise is done in case engine is made to run with 600 rpm and with varying compression ratio. Means the same exercise, this exercise, entire exercise is done for 600 rpm and varying compression ratios. Okay, now what is motor octane number? In this case engine is made to run with 900 rpm and with varying ignition timing, means the time of input of a spark plug inside a cylinder. So motor octane number is that finding the octane number with 900 rpm of crankshaft and with varying the ignition timing, means the introduction of a spark, the time of introduction of spark is varied, and then this exercise is done. For finding the motor octane number, one thing more is there, that is the fuel mixture is heated to required corresponding levels. This is the rule for finding motor octane number, and the rpm is kept 900 and the ignition timing, the time of introduction of a spark, is varied, and then the octane number is found. Now anti-knock index is what? Generally it is found that motor octane number is 8 to 12 less than the octane number of research octane number for same fuel. In case we are finding, for example, suppose for some fuel the research octane number is found 80, then it could be there that motor octane number is lesser than 80 and it could be 72 or 68 like this. Okay, so anti-knock index is the average of the two. So motor octane number plus research octane number upon 2 is called as anti-knock index of the fuel. Now road observed octane number is, it is found by running the engine fitted over the corresponding vehicle over road with generally full speed. Means the vehicle in which engine is fitted, that vehicle is made to run over the road with full speed, or can also be done in laboratory by running the same vehicle in laboratory by controlled environmental conditions. So in that case the octane number, means this exercise is done, in that case the octane number is called as road observed octane number. Now these are some additives in case some fuel is having bad octane number, means octane number is lesser and we want to boost up the octane number, then these are some additives which can be used for boosting up the octane number. One is your tetraethyl lead. However, this additive is banned in most of the countries, because the reason is that in case we are using tetraethyl lead, then from the exhaust of engine it will emit out lead also. Lead is a heavy metal which is having harmful effect over the health. So therefore this tetraethyl lead is mostly banned in many countries. Now other is this methyl cyclopentadienyl manganese tricarbonyl. This is also used as an anti-knock compound. Other is your ferrokene. You can see this is ferrokene. And other is iron pentacarbonyl. And isooctane itself, in case added to the fuel, then it could lead to boosting the octane number of the fuel. Thank you.